Hey guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance channel. We are here for a special video to do the reveal for the BMW for the 2023 season. So if you were watching the shop tour last week, you saw that the cover was on it. I gave you a little bit of a sneak peek of the coloring that we're talking about. This is the video. So what I'm going to do here is we're just going to pull it off, take a look, and I'm going to talk about what's going on. So here we go. I love the way this car looks. I've always been a big fan of the blue. Of course, this is my blue, but she's no longer number 34. Some of you may recognize this number from a guy that's been a long time e-production racer over the years. That's right. The one, the only Greg Ira is going to be driving the BMW Z3 this year. So I'm super excited about this. He and of course John came up with this beautiful wrap scheme, and the car is 100% prepped and ready to go. We are going to be heading out to VIR in just a few weeks, guys. Second weekend in April, I believe. So Greg has a great sponsor this year, which is Blue Oceans, powered by Crew Unlimited. This company has been in business for more than 40 years. They're known as the worldwide experts in regards to training, management, and ensuring the optimal yacht ownership experience. Of course, based out of Florida, where Greg is from. And I love the logo. I love the coloring on the car. I'll tell you guys, this is a first for me. I've never had anybody drive one of my babies, and Greg is someone that I trust, and I think that together we can have a pretty stellar racing season. So I'm going to be heading out to VIR so he can get some good track time at the Super Tour. So a lot of you will be there. We will see you there, and he'll come to Topeka and run at Heartland Park. For those of you that probably did or did not notice, Greg actually ran his orange Z car at Homestead in January. Probably nobody was paying enough attention, maybe thinking he was just coming back out with the car, which obviously is a well-known car. Greg is a two-time e-production national champion. But I'm super excited about having him part of the JPM team, and so the car will be staying here, and I will be doing all the prep. I'll be taking the car to the track. Greg's going to come in and do the driving for me this year. So really excited about this, guys. So I'm kind of taking the year off as a driver. Going to be doing some other things, driving cars, which I'll talk about in weeks to come. But I think this is a really fun new challenge, and I'm always looking for new things to do, and this is kind of the big one for me this year. So can't tell you how excited I am about this whole project. So Greg and I have actually not only been competitors, but we've actually been friends for a long time. So it's just kind of something that we were spitballing a little bit last year, and it all kind of came to fruition. So there you go. That's what's going on this year. We'll see you guys in April. Take care.